Audio Jungle.
Okay, today we will be unboxing the Corded Push-To-Talk Handset Kit. Okay. We have the user manual. We have the spacer. This is for the docking station. We have the bracket. Now this is to attach the handset into the docking station. This one is a mounting bracket for the handset itself. And of course, the corded handset. So that's the handset, and that's the RJ45 connection to the bottom of the docking station.
And then for the product, we need to find the product first. So Iridium, because the DriveDOCK Extreme is for Iridium product. And then here, so you can view product or click that, whichever. Now this is the product page. Okay, so if you want to see the software management tool or anything related to troubleshooting or customer support, you need to click product support. This is the product support page. So you have frequently asked questions, manuals and guides, configuration, compliance documents, and all other resources related. But for this exercise, click configuration, and this is where the Eagle software management tool is saved. Okay, there we go. Now as soon as this is up, you need to connect your DriveDOCK Extreme to your computer via the USB port. Make sure that the docking station is switched on. Now nothing is connected in here yet, that's why it's showing something else. But let's hit connect to connect to our docking station, because I've already connected one. There we go. So you can see here you have the model number, which is an Extreme DriveDOCK. This is the terminal or the docking station's firmware version. Okay, serial numbers here, the temperature in the docking station is here as well. Okay, now if you have a handset or Iridium handset docked into the docking station, you will see the handset firmware here and the IMEI number. Okay, to upgrade the firmware version, just click here, which is advanced options, and then let's just wait for that. Click here, upgrade firmware. Okay, so always make sure that you have the latest software management tool firmware version. Otherwise you will see a different or an old version here. So what I'll do is, with that, I can see that there's a different firmware here. What I'll do is I'll just click start to upgrade my firmware. So make sure the docking station does not switch off or get the USB connection is interrupted while this process is going on. This is successful. Okay, it just asks you to reset to factory defaults. You can click no if you don't want to, but preferably click factory defaults. Now I would switch it off and switch it back on for good exercise. There you go. So its software management tool is off, and then you switch it back on. Now you can see that the terminal firmware has been updated. So that's just how you download, install, and connect and with the software management tool and update the firmware.
So the handset has properly boot up now. You can see the talk group there. And when you want to make a test call or a call, just pull this out from the slot and then press this key right here to start a call. You see that changing now, and when it says talking, then now you can start talking. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is your Iridium Extreme PTT corded handset kit.